going to enjoy a lot. But there's still a problem. What problem? What about my fishes? Who will feed them? Do you have any solution for that? Yeah, I have one. So, look. Here we have our Arduino board. These are jumper wires. This is the servo motor and this is our feeder. So you can see this servo motor is rotating. It can rotate as per the codes we have set. Now it is rotating up to 90 degrees, but it can rotate from 0 to 180 degrees. We can set the timing. We can set the timing over here as per our requirement. For example, 12 hours, 6 hours, whatever we need. Let's see the functioning of this entire system. This is Arduino board. This is a servo motor. This is our feeder. So now we can put some fish food in it. We need to on the power supply first. You can see so in this way you can feed your fish automatically. Oh wow, what a great use of technology. Yeah, now let's look at some of the advantages of it. Microcontroller based automatic fish feeder. This study provides a convenient way of feeding fish. The fish owner can rest knowing fully well that the fish will be fed at the correct time intervals. This comes in handy when the owner is traveling or too busy to attend to the regular feeding schedule. The construction of an automatic